Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to order on Uber Eats app. Ordering on Uber Eats makes it easy to enjoy your favorite meals from local restaurants delivered right to your door. So, let's get started on how to order on Uber Eats app. First, open the Uber Eats app on your device. On the home page, find the items that you want to order and add it to your cart. Once you have added all your items, tap on the cart icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your cart. Select the cart that you want to order and tap on the View Cart option. Next, tap on the Go to Checkout button. This will take you to the checkout page where you can review your order one last time. You may have the option to add extra items to your order. If you want to add more, select the items you wish to add. If not, tap on the No Thanks option at the bottom of your screen. Here, you will need to add your payment method. Enter your payment details or select a safe payment method if you have one. Finally, tap on the Next button to review your order summary. Confirm your order by tapping on Place Order or a similar button. And this is how you can order on Uber Eats app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.